Hi, everyone, and a super warm welcome to the Asian Food Diary. Today, we're making something that is just so special and comforting, right from the heart of Burmese cuisine. It's called Kaungyeonjin Pong, or steamed purple sticky rice. And trust me, it's one of those dishes that honestly feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Oh, just imagine this for a second. A gorgeous, deep purple rice that's got this nutty, slightly sweet flavor and the most incredible, satisfying chew to it. It's just so good. I am so happy you're here with me in the kitchen today. This recipe is a huge personal favorite of mine, and I absolutely cannot wait to share it with you. Okay, let's get right into it. And you're going to be so surprised to see just how simple it is to bring this classic dish to life. I mean, the ingredient list is wonderfully short. That is literally it. Just four things: the beautiful purple glutinous rice, some water for steaming, whatever steamer you have, and a little bit of baking paper. It's just the perfect example of how the simplest ingredients can create something you'll never forget. Now, before we even think about turning on the stove, there is one step we absolutely cannot skip. This is the secret, the key to getting that perfect, tender, chewy texture we're all dreaming of. And here it is. Are you ready? 6 hours. Soaking this rice in water for a full 6 hours is the secret weapon. And look, this isn't just a suggestion, it's what makes sure every single grain soaks up enough water to steam up perfectly soft and chewy, instead of being hard or, unevenly cooked. So please, whatever you do, do not skip the soak. So once those 6 hours are up, you're going to want to be super gentle with the rice. Give it a really delicate wash and then let it drain completely. The grains are going to be plumbed and a little fragile, so a soft touch is definitely the way to go. And now for the magic. All right, this is where those beautiful soaked grains completely transform. Let's get over to the steamer and see how this all comes together. Okay, this part is super easy. First, just line your steamer basket with some baking paper. This just stops the rice from sticking or falling through. Then, add your water to the bottom, spread the rice out nice and evenly inside, pop the lid on, and let it steam for about 20 minutes to start. All right, after that first 20 minutes, I have a pro tip for you, and this one's a really important safety tip. Please make sure you let all that steam escape before you lift the lid. Trust me, you do not want a faceful of hot steam. It's a quick, simple step that makes all the difference. Once it's safe, go ahead and lift that lid and gently fluff the rice. So what you're doing here is just mixing the bottom layer that was closest to the steam with the top layer. This tiny little step, it's so important for making sure every grain cooks perfectly. Then just pop the lid back on for one final 5-minute steam. And would you look at that? It's done. The kitchen smells absolutely incredible, and your beautiful purple sticky rice is all ready to be enjoyed. Oh, just look at that color. It's so vibrant and beautiful. It has this wonderfully nutty aroma, and the texture is just perfect. It's soft, it's sticky, and just so satisfying. It really shows you how a little bit of patience in the kitchen just pays off, doesn't it? Now, you could totally enjoy this all on its own, but the truly traditional way to serve it is with bea kiao, which are these crispy chickpea fritters. And wow, what a pairing. It is a match made in heaven. You get the soft, chewy rice next to that savory, herby crunch of the fritter. That contrast is, it's just out of this world. So that's really all there is to making this incredibly authentic and delicious Burmese comfort food. And now, I want to invite you to create this experience for yourself. It's your turn. So what do you think? Are you ready to get this incredible smell wafting through your kitchen? I can promise you, the aroma alone is completely worth it. And the taste? Well, that's even better. I really hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, I would absolutely love to hear how it turns out for you. So please share your experience down in the comments below. Let me know what you think. And hey, if you had fun cooking along with me today, please don't forget to like this and subscribe for more delicious adventures. It honestly means the world. I can't wait to see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me.